Today's project is going to involve a small piece of walnut. My intention is to make a small candy dish for the holidays. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Piece of walnut in some places was a little punky, so I ended up adding some sanding sealer. Once the sanding sealer dried, I went ahead and sanded it down, and then now I'm going to be adding a couple of bands to the small dish. I'd like to take this time to wish everyone a very happy and safe holiday season. This project was pretty straightforward, came out really nice. I love the color. Turning the walnut was a good deal. The bands really enhance it. So in all, if you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support. As always, thanks for watching.